Welcome back. Before I begin, take a look in the comments for a link to my ebook, 108 Eternal Life Guidance, a quick read treasure. Get your hands on my ebook today. Are you concerned about your brain? Why such an accusatory question, Sana? All I'm trying to say is that you do not need to be overly concerned about your brain. For example, illiteracy can be a good thing, but by not reading certain material, you are unaware of the many hurtful emotions taught to you by society, thus more in peace. How, Sana, do I unlearn the hurt school and society? I left out school and society forced me to learn? Very good question. When you stop reading certain material, books, and ebooks, you distance yourself from these hurts. The news and other material on television, in the paper, and so on are also sensitive elements to expose yourself to. Let's unlearn these hurts together. I know I'm a new saint and some people are not ready to awaken, thus brush aside my words as gibberish. That's fine. I praise those who subscribe and see my holy words as valid. Remember, the more aware a wise man spoke of this, the more you are welcoming attraction energies into your life. Thinking nothing and attempting no thoughts with continual attempts to be in your divine God, Allah, Jesus, Buddha, others' presence, thus eventually hearing his words, even his emotions count, and this is an eye opener. No words, but a sense that they approve or disapprove is a valid guide. Okay, that's it. Thank you for listening, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.